Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're at the Aquarium Shop. This place has a great selection of saltwater fish, but it has no freshwater. When I first walked in, I saw a bunch of tanks, including this really cool display tank, which is right there. It's the big one. The display tank has a lot of colorful fish in it, and also lots of coral. And they have a bunch of coral tanks behind it, where you could purchase coral from. And then they have a lot of products on the wall, and also frozen food, which is always good for your fish. On the wall, they have a picture of a purple tank, and then they have more tanks on the side of the room. And these tanks, they have like corals and like sea urchins, a lot of sea urchins. And here's a close-up of the display tank they had. And now over here they have another tank with a damsel on it, it looks like. And then here's like where they have the big rack of tanks where they have all the fish. They have like an angelfish and stuff like that in here. The exact species of angelfish is a French angelfish, and the one by the coral is a queen angelfish. And then those are two porcupine pufferfish. Like tanks here with really good saltwater fish that I didn't find really anywhere else. They have a clownfish there, a yellow tang. They have more lemon peel angelfish over there. They have a lot of fish. Unfortunately, they have a dead filefish and like the filter wave maker. I don't know, I couldn't really see. Here they have Bengal cardinals, which are swimming fish, and also they're captive bred now. They don't catch them from the wild since they're kind of like endangered in the wild. In this tank, they have pajama cardinals, which are also other schooling fish, and then engineer gobies, which like sift through the sand. And they get kind of big. They look like eels. Now here they have a clownfish and a dead blue tang on the floor, sadly. But then they have this lemon peel angelfish and a lot of other colorful fish. And here they have other tanks like that one that's kind of like you see. The big one is has like shrimp and starfish and like anemones in it. And in this tank, they have a lot of coral and fish. The fish aren't for sale, and they have like those glass things you put on the water so you could see through without the waves ruining your vision of the tank from the top. Here they have some of the coral you could see. And they also have like a fish in there. Now here are some, I think, coral banded shrimp in the other tank I talked about earlier. They have like other snails and vertebrae in here. Here's the display tank again, which is pretty cool. And you can see more corals, and you can see that fish, which I don't know the name of, but it still looks pretty cool. And then over here they have live rock. Like a lot of live rocks, you could put it in your aquarium, and it has bacteria on it, which is good for the fish and other animals in your tank. Here's some more tanks with invertebrate in it, like that cleaner, blood shrimp on the glass or the snail. They have more down there, and they have snails, and they also have a blue tang in that tank over there. And like the water runs down the thing, which is pretty cool. And this is like the big tank. And they have lots of krill shrimp in them. In the back they have snails that you can see through glass. And they have starfish over here, chocolate chip starfish. And they have like anemones, and then they have like more anemones, and also tomato clowns. And here's the side view of it. And they have like, you can see through the grass. And they have like little containers on top. Here's all the coral, and there's a fish, but they have a lot of the coral here. The coral comes like a lot of different colors, shapes, and like sizes, which is pretty cool. Over here they have sea urchins on the wall. In this tank they have a ocellaris clownfish, a maroon clownfish, and a flame angelfish. And here's more of the urchins, sea urchins. And then in this tank they have a shrimp. Now here's all the products they have on the wall. Now we're talking to the guy, the cashier, about how to care for like saltwater fish and freshwater fish, what are different, since I will be getting into that, like having them, owning them. But I just talked to him for a little bit and then we get going. So this is like the end of the video. So like, subscribe, hit that bell, and see you next time on Trident Fish.